9 minus 3 gives us 6. And again, 9 minus 3 gives us 6. And 6 times 6 is equal to 36. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operation, PEMDAS, so the order we need to follow when we are dealing with operation like this. So I'm going to write here the rule. So I'm writing it. So according to this rule, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M and D stands for multiplication and division, A and S stands for addition and subtraction. So according to it, first thing to solve is parentheses. And after we solve all the parentheses, only then we are allowed to move to exponent. And after we solve the exponent, we have to move to multiplication or division. For multiplication or division, we have to do the expression left to right. We have to solve the problem left to right. And then after we solve all the multiplication or division, only then we are allowed to move to addition or subtraction. The thing is, if we solve subtraction before multiplication, that is wrong, because clearly multiplication has a higher priority than both addition and subtraction. Both addition and subtraction, their priority is 4. And for multiplication and division, their priority is 3. We have to solve them at priority 3. And for exponent, it's 2. And for parentheses, it's 1. The first priority we need to solve. So with this in mind, let's go back in our original problem. So we have 9 minus 3, parentheses, 9 minus 3. So if in case you don't know about this, if a number is placed next to parentheses, that means multiplication, right? So keep that in mind. So 9 minus 3 gives us 6. The first thing to solve is parentheses. Yes, we did solve the first thing. But here comes the trickiest part. Since 3 is multiplied by the difference of the parentheses, the problem becomes 9 minus 3 times 6. So that is what the problem becomes. So here we have subtraction and multiplication. So what arithmetic to do first? Well, according to the rule, we clearly seen that multiplication has a higher priority than subtraction. Therefore, we have to do the multiplication before the subtraction, right? So 3 times 6 is going to be the next equation, the next thing to do. So 3 times 6 is 18. And 9 minus 18 is equal to negative 9. So the final answer to this question is negative 9.